Assalamu alaikum ladies and gentlemen, your guide to a balanced, peaceful life upcoming. A true autobiography of a person who has been under the guardianship of the saints and jinns since birth, with his day and night spent alongside them. The topic is the initial spiritual flight. I was still in the 8th grade when one night Haji Sahab come and lovingly woke me up saying, "Come with me." Suddenly Haji Sahab's luminous from change and he transformed into a beautiful bird with wings so large that they seemed even bigger than those of a large airplane. I grabbed hold of his neck and perched on his wings. Haji Sahab told me not to be afraid, saying, "You will see thousands of terrifying sight." Then Haji Sahab began to fly. He soared off high that the darkness above was complete. We flew for a long time at an incredibly fast speed and then reached a place where a large gathering of a people was present. Haji Sahab was greatly pers- respected there, and it felt as though he was the chief or leader of that place. I was treated with great respect and love. At one spot, a group of people was reciting a specific Quranic verse. Haji Sahab seated me the and left. The appearance of the people at this place was remarkable, and I will decide describe it later in writing. When you read and hear above it, you will be uh, astonished and amazed. Meeting with the Prophet, companion Jinn, and his blessing. I continue to recite that Quranic verse with the entire gathering for a long time, after which we were served delicious food. Finally, I was taken to visit to very elderly person who was referred to a Sahabi Baba. Later, I come to know that he was one of the companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and even today his compassion, love, and blessing continue to be with me. He placed his hand on my head and offered a prayer for me. Then he said, "I give you the blessing of a effect of this Quranic verse. Whenever you wish to call me, just hold your breath and recite it, and in your imaginations and its reward to me, I will immediately be present." Many other my miraculous and events took place there, which I will share in future installment, inshallah, to be continued. Thank you watching. See you in the next video.